I've been getting cards and letters from people I don't even know. I'm kidding. Lots of people have, not lots, I don't want to pretend I'm some sort of celebrity or famous person, or I haven't done any videos in a while. There is a reason. I've been very, very busy doing things that I quite honestly don't want to advertise. Uh, I don't know, it's at the point where here's the honest truth. My Google income is an important part of my monthly money that I get. And I have to be very careful not to jeopardize that in things that I say or videos that I do. So let's just say that I've been doing some things that, number one, YouTube is not into. And number two, I don't want people that don't have to know, uh, what I'm doing. I have a kit in my car, my truck, that, first of all, let me say this. I'm okay. I'm okay. I have pain that doctors, if they can't figure out what is causing you pain, they want to throw drugs at you. And I'm just not going to do it. I've just had one more pain that I got to figure out a way to absorb into my life and work around, and that's just all there is to it. I guess it's just part of living and dying, and living and getting old and dying. And so that's all I'm going to say about that. But I'm fine. The world is falling apart. It is absolutely falling apart, and I think we are facing so many dangers from inside our country and outside our country that I'm stepping up my plans that I have to prepare for possible eventualities that we may have to face, whether it be living without electricity for a while, or living without water for a while, or not being able to buy food for a while for one reason or another. Maybe it's because I refuse to take something in my arm and they won't let us into grocery stores or buy medicine. So today, just got back. That's not all of it, but just got back from Walmart, and we spent $400 on food. Hard to believe, $400. Yesterday we spent $500 on our dogs. Had to take all three dogs to the vet, and we drove all the way back to where we used to live, because the vet in this town is a friggin' crook. One of my dogs is on a medicine that is kind of expensive. It's $120 a month at this vet, but it's $60 a month at a vet we used to go to back in Louisiana. But it's 70 miles from here to there. So anyway, we loaded up all three dogs, got all their shots, bought all their medicine at half the price our local vet sells it to us here in Wascom. And good God, so that's another thing. I'm absolutely at the end of my money, so really I can't do any projects until, I get another check, which will be the 23rd, and I have some plans, but and it involves lumber, so I'm going to have to, buy a little at a time, because lumber's obscene. The price is obscene. So there we are. I'm fine. We're just doing things that, I really don't want to advertise. That's basically all there is to it. I am going to start a farm. It's a particular type of farm, raising a particular item. And I'm going to try to do that video next. So, thanks for all the inquiries. I'm fine. We're fine. Everything's going good. I just am doing things right now that I don't want to put on YouTube, and there's nothing else. I'm so totally absorbed in doing it that I'm not doing anything else. Plus, I'm at the end of my money, so what I'm doing now is things that don't cost me anything, which is boring and not video worthy anyway. So I'll be seeing you soon. Yeah. Isn't it amazing that, I have to talk about rainbows and happy places and fairness, and you can't talk about preparedness in any way, shape, or form. So I had a little mishap in my truck the other day. Well, it wasn't the other day. It happened during the winter. This is my Happy and Fairness kit that I carry in my truck. Rainbows and fair voting, and Biden's my president. And I also carry some water in my truck, and over the winter, I didn't think to check it, but I had an entire bottle of water freeze, break open, and then the plastic trough, for lack of a better word, it goes under my seat, that my Happy Survival Rainbow Kit resides in, got wet. So from then to now, it's been setting, well, who knows how long it took for it to dry. So nothing's terrible. It's all going to be fine. Fortunately, I oil my Happiness and Fairness kit down pretty good and pretty regularly. So, things like this is what I'm doing. Yes, I carry my Happiness and Fairness kit everywhere I go at all times, because you never know when you're going to have to get out and provide fairness to somebody on an interstate, let's say, okay? Rainbows for everybody. Another rainbow. Okay, that's all I'm going to say about this. I got to get to work and find a stronger bottle that I can put water in and keep in my truck. I have maps and everything. I think I've gone through this. And since I can't walk but very, very short distances because of whatever the hell is wrong with me, it's not just my foot now, it's my knee, and it's waking me up. So now I'm going to be looking for a foldable bicycle. Let me show you, since I'm right here. You're going to think I'm crazy. But the pain of walking is just about unbearable. So if I get stuck out on the interstate somewhere, let's just say, who knows why. Could be an EMP. Could be a friendly rainbow, demonstration on the highway. I've got more than enough room here for a foldable bicycle. And that's the only way I'm going to be able to get anywhere, because there's no way I could walk more than a few hundred feet. And then my Fairness Rainbow Happy Kit goes under there. Yeah, I know it's a mess, and I plan on getting this. One of the things I'm going to do. But I had to take all the dogs to the vet, so I can't, we're done with that. And there's dog hair everywhere. Now I can clean it up. Alrighty. We'll see you. Oh yeah, I got my new hat. I got this case in, and it fits everything nice and neat. Really padded well. I got the charger up top there, and one hand. There we go. There we go. Nice, neat little package all together. I'm going to stick this in the truck.